Alright guys, so here's how I do it. So first of all, I type in the title and I just go here and just type in Supersonic versus Metal Sonic Part 24, and it's kind of like simple. So like it's going to where it says type in like a something like that. Yeah, guys, it's totally easy. It's actually very easy. Here's how I do it. And then I like to add in some sound effects by just going here, where's the music and where's the sound of X. That's where all the sound effects are to add into your amazing videos. So yeah, I have to do this. Sometimes like slow down as well so I can just like get like the punching at the time. And yeah, this also kind of got behind the scenes as well. Like I'll just like whatever I want to put in as the background, but I want to put rain in here. But I want to show you the different versions of the stuff. And it's actually pretty interesting. But we want rain right now. I don't know why, but I don't know why I feel like I sound like Bob's Ross.